and the sine square plus cos square equal to what? 1. This is our identity. And it means that from this formula we can make 3 more of identity. Sine square equal to cos square equal to 1. Sine square equal to what? 1 minus cos square a. Similarly, we can find cos square equal to what? 1 minus sine square a. Any doubt? Any doubt? Form the one. These are called trigonometric identity. Okay? 2 more identities are there in the group. One is the second one is which one? 1 plus tan square a equal to what? Sec square a. One more thing is there. Here also we can form 3 formulas. So yes or no? Sec square minus tan square equal to 1. Sec square minus 1 equal to tan square a. Again the 2 more can be formed. Then the third one. 1 plus cot square a is equal to cos square a. Now you see all 3 identities. In any identity without a square? No. So when you solve the question, you check that whether this question we can solve with the identity or without identity. If the square is not there, how we can apply identity? See, all identities are in the square? Yes or no? Yes. This you have to remember thoroughly. Any doubt? These are this like yesterday in the class 8 you had to study a plus b square. And same way you have to study this also identity. Now come to the 8.4 first question. Now this is a little strict. What we have to do? There are some angles are given. Sin a, cos a, cos a is given. Sec a, tan a, and the 3 angles are there. This we have to change in the form of sec a. In the form of cot a. What we have to do? Sin a we have to change in the form of cot a. Sec a we have to change in the form of cot a. Tan a we have to change in the form of cot a. Understood? So tan a is having one formula. Tan a equal to what? 1 upon cot a. This formula I think you remember. Did you remember? Yes. Tan is the reciprocal of the cot a. Tan a equal to what? 1 upon cot a. So this tan a we convert in the form of cot a. Now we have to convert which two trigonometric ratio? Sin and sec. Sin and sec. Now how to convert sin a into sec a? How to convert sin a into the sec a? Means when we write the value for sin a, the cot a should come. Daisy, you have the 3 trigonometric ratios. Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. 1 plus tan square equal to sec square a. And the third one is which one? 1 plus cot square equal to. This you remember na? See, this one is the ID. 1 plus cot a equal to what? Cos square. Now here we can find a value. So 1 plus cot square equal to what? Cos square a. And cos is equal to what? 1 upon sin. So 1 plus, we can find the value of the now you see this very clearly. 1 plus cot square equal to what? Cos square. So if 1 plus cot square equal to cos square a, what is the value of the cosec a? Root will come here. Say yes or no? Yes. Understood or not understood? Yes. This step you understood now? 1 plus cot square equal to what? Cos square. Here square is there. I want to remove the square. So what I did here? Root I put. Understood? Yeah. Now 1 plus cot square equal to what? Cosec. In place of cosec, can I write 1 upon sin a? Yeah. 1 upon sin a equal to what then? 1 plus cot square. and it is asked in the question, you have to find a value of sin A or 1 upon sin A. Sin A. So what if I have to find the value of sin A? I will do the reciprocal. Sin A will go up. 1 will come. Here also reciprocal we have to do. Say yes or no? So can I write here 1? So 1 will go up. 1 upon 1 plus cot square A equal to what? Sin A is the answer. Understood? This is the example question also. Now one more thing left. Sec A. Now you can say how to find sec A. I can this by the using the identity 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. Can you find that one? This is written. Completed. As I am teaching, you also write along with me. And what about your copy? So when you are going to submit the copy? Next week. Over this one, Siddharth over, this one, enough. Now one to last one. 1 plus tan square A equal to what? Sec square A. I have to convert this in the form of sec square A. Now how to convert? Then see, same we will do. 1 plus tan square A. If I put here root, what will come here? Sec A. This is only answer. Over. We have to change in the form of quad A. So now tan and quad are related to each other. How? 1 plus 1 upon quad square A equal to what? Sec A. Now take the LCM. So what will be the LCM? Quad square A plus 1 upon quad square A equal to what? Sec A. This is the answer. Now see, remember one thing. Here in the back side, here roots is up to the numerator because they have taken the quad A outside the bracket. Understood? Understood what I am saying? At the back, when you see this answer, they have written this answer: quad square A plus 1 upon quad A, and root is only where? Numerator. They had removed this square sign and they brought out from the outside root. Okay, understood? Now this is over. Next question. Next question I think you can do. Yes or no?
Yes.
Same way you can do?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, no.
Yes.
Yes. Now can we start question number 3? Can we start question 3? See, you say I can do or not do?
Yes.
Do? Now question number 3. Question 3, we have to prove sin square 63 plus what?
Sin square 27.
Sin square
27.
27.
Divided
Degree is there na everywhere.
by
Next one upon
cos square.
cos square
17 degree.
17 degree plus
Cos square 73 degree.
now here you can see on the board. If I have we studied the first identity just now. First identity says sin square plus cos square equal to what? 1. And here we have both sin. If any from any place, either here, cos square came, what should come? Then we can apply that formula. Sin square plus cos square equal to what? 1. Same way we can do in denominator also. In both the cos is there. If we change only 1. So here what will come? Sin square. Sin square plus cos square, again it will be 1. But one is the main important thing. The angle should be same in the both the case. So how what to change? Here we have used 8.3 right also and 8.4 also together. This to change. Sin square 63 is here. 90 minus 27. Now you check here. This answer will be cos square, है ना? Cos square 27 plus sin square 27 upon cos square. Cos square 90 minus how much? 73. Here cos square 73. Now sin square minus 27 will be equal to what? Because which angle we are going to separate here? 27. It will be equal to what? Cos square 27 degree. है ना? Here also 27 degree. Upon here sin square here now we can apply the identity. Which identity? Sin square plus cos square equal to what? Here also sin square plus cos square equal to what? 1 equal to 1. Any doubt? In the bracket you can write sin square a plus cos square equal to what? 1. This we are using. Any doubt? Now next question. Is over? And one important thing, you had seen the CBSE sample paper?
Yes.
How many students seen? 1, 2, 3, 4. What about others? It came or not came? It came on the CBSE side. So if you say, then I will share in the group also. What's the group? So along with this video, that too was sample paper of the science, mathematics and the basic. What is the important things you had observed?
Yes.
This first you write, then we'll discuss. Is over? And just two students are writing. Over? Now next one. Over? What is the next question? Sin square there? No. Sin 25 degree.
Cos 5 degree.
Cos cos 25. 65
Plus
plus
cos 25.
cos 25
Sin 65.
sin 65. Now you can see here what we are going to do. What we are going to do. Here sin cos is there. If both the here also sin should come, then it will be sin square. Yes or no? And here cos is there. If here cos square comes, then cos square plus cos square will be cos square. Means here sin is there. In case sin cos comes, then it will be cos square. Here also sin square. Sin square plus cos square equal to what? 1. So what to change here now? Which number you want to change? Sin. If I change the sin 25 I need here. 90 minus how much? 65. Here I will get what? This no need of changing because the sin 90 minus 65 will be equal to cos square. Here you see cos 25. I need here 65. Then what should I do? 90 minus 65. है ना? Here sin 65. Sin 90 minus 65 is equal to how much? Here plus cos sin 65. Here also sin 65. Now here we can do the square. Cos square 65. Sin square 65. Now sin square 65 plus cos square 65 equal to what? 1. Because this is according to first trigonometric idea. Understood? But more important thing is that listen carefully because you are going to give the board exam also. These two angles should be same. What mostly students do now, here 65, here 35, and they do the square also. If the angles are not same, we can't write in the form of square. Got it? Understood?